If you're searching for a Coursera discount code step-by-step 2026 guide, here's exactly how to get the latest Coursera Plus discount without wasting time on expired codes. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the current Coursera Plus offer, and the discount is usually applied automatically when you sign up. Step 1 is to click the link in the description and open the Coursera Plus page. Step 2 is to create a new Coursera account or sign in to your existing account. Step 3 is to choose the Coursera Plus plan that works best for you. For most people, I recommend the annual plan because it offers the biggest savings. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399. That's less than $20 per month when billed annually. Step 4 is simply to continue to check out. In most cases, you won't need to enter a code manually because Coursera automatically applies eligible promotions through special links. Once you're subscribed, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, projects, specializations, and professional certificates from top companies and universities, including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you want to learn AI, Python, data science, cybersecurity, business, or marketing, Coursera Plus allows you to take multiple courses without paying separately for each one. Another reason I like the annual plan is that you can earn unlimited certificates and learn at your own pace throughout the year. Just remember that limited time promotions do not last forever, so the discounted price could change once the current offer ends. If you want to follow this Coursera discount code step-by-step 2026 guide and lock in the latest price, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the current Coursera Plus deal.